everybody, we're still in quarantine, so we're going to do another one. This time we're going to bring in some floating candles, which is a really nice accent too. So we're going to start with a big vase, so that way the flower can be inside as well, because we're going to add some greenery here. And we're going to, oh, sorry, mirror. Mirror. It's just on the Lazy Susan for fun. Normally you would put a mirror in. Oh. There, okay. So now we're going to put in a few rocks.
Gently?
Yes, very gently. Because we don't want to break the vase. And go for different size rocks, which is nice. So we're going to put in a few. Then I have some submersible lights so they can handle the water. And we have these little pinwheel guys, but we also have nice tea light size submersibles as well. But these ones are nice for this particular project because they'll show through the rocks in a couple of different ways. Then you've got your flower, and you want to attach it to a rock, especially because, like I said, we use fake flowers. So in order to use the fake flower so it doesn't float, you have to attach it to a weight. So this is what we did. You can hot glue it directly to the bottom of the glass if you would prefer to do that as well. There you go. Now,
Water.
we're gonna add some water. Oh, and I underestimated how big that vase was. Just 1 second.
Do 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 do, and we're waiting for Mercedes to get some more water and top this up. And we're waiting for Mercedes to get some more water and top this up. Do 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 do.
You want to fill it up relatively close to the edge, but not quite over because you don't want to be any spillage. Gives you a nice look. And then we have these nice submersible lights, or floating lights, sorry, that are rose shaped. We do also have a few that are just very simple. Oops, and that was not turning on. There you go. So the nice thing with these floating candles is that as soon as they touch the water, they turn on. As soon as you lift them from the water, they will turn off. But it gives you a nice definition of color. And then just to add a little more greenery, because I love a nice full centerpiece. You can add some greenery around the mirror, and that gives you a really nice look, especially for round tables that have the bigger square footage. Okay. And you can use any flower you want. This is just the one we had in the shop.
Want to take it down? Want to take the phone down for closer?
I'll give you a close-up look. really nice.